woman of God, be it in Orthodox, be it in Pentecost, be it in anywhere that charge you money is fake. I hear you, sir. Don't ever try to compromise your faith. But this is even if let it be your pastor, even if it's Brother Ebuka that tomorrow will begin to tell you you must pay this money before I will pay for you. The gift we receive is freely.
Foundation prayer come with foundational seeds. Now, we are heading there. Foundational prayer come with foundational seeds. Yeah, you must sow a seed for your prayer to be granted. That you could draw a bukaze very easy so seed. See, we don't condemn other pastors.
Yeah, the truth.
Bring basket. How we do it?
I prophesy, I don't see. By this time next year, when you come here with your baby.
One thing.
May the mercy of God come upon you. Any hand holding your baby, let that hand be destroyed.
The
foundation prayers comes with the foundational seeds to you.
See it. Eberima. Eberima.
Can they not watch you? I
See it.
Music. See your voice, yeah. No shame to brought on. Music. Pop our voice, yeah. So they know he ain't off and now they never.
Next year, when you come here with your baby.
This is our brother.
That will go down.
And it's really. The girl wash out.
Sister, I'm telling you. Let the madness be satisfied.
Lift your currency up. Okay, they book you. Lift your currency up. Your currency here.
Is our
that lift that. And after lift currency, and they lift that. They are after this program.
Is our
from Mozambique to Malaysia. Petition. Oppositely no for currency says so. Petition. For currency says.
Kind of back. You know what about currency?
Where do you come from? And I see you in the name of J-E-S-U.
Because I'm gonna do this program because people have said I'm lying.
Currency.
Currency. Your currency.
And your prayer petition.
Currency.
Yes, where's your currency? Actually, she will be your paper. Yeah, they take their petition on the paper.
Let them tell us when they have joined native doctor.
Let's be going. Everyone will give you full time.
If I tell you, you don't believe, you believe tomorrow.
Let the madness disappear. Is your only brother mad? Are you mad? Be healed.
Without any proof, with information.
Thank you for this video because I know the watch.
So now, about the main place, lift your currency
money.
Okay, they book you, lift your currency up. Your currency here.
They approve that.
They lift that. And after lift currency, and they lift that. They have remember the boutique after this program. When you want to go to collect now, go from Mozambique to Malaysia. Petition, oppositely no for currency says so. Petition, for currency says. Ndị onye nke azụọla galọn mmiri, a whole confirmed galọn mmiri. Ezigbo ego. Eyi ndị a front and back. Eriye hire ha mmiri. Eriye hire ha kandọ.
Gịnị ka ị dere ebe ahụ this year?
Gịnị ka ị dere ebe ahụ this year?
That nobody will die again.
Listen very well. I shouldn't even go now.
Reading this prayer book, and you're one of them showing Kurumabaro.
Oh no, people need that. They can sow million. They can sow all their life for to buy to have children.
Foundation prayer come with foundation seed.
A criminal.
We are heading there.
So why are you jealous?
Foundational prayer come with foundational seed. Yeah, you want to sow a seed for your prayer to be granted. That you won't draw because
yeah, it tell you that all of us are fake. It's only fake. Now I have joined the fake. It's not the original occultic man and the native doctor. Bring basket to collect money. God can never be mocked. That's your hidden secret. We have come to expose it all. Okay.
I prophesy. By this time next year, when you come here with your baby.
One thing.
Ebukobi has exposed himself.
Any hand holding your baby, let that hand be destroyed.
Good prayer.
The foundation prayer comes with foundational history.
Where your money? You see it? You see it? How about your
voice? Can they not watch you? Hey, we're music. See your voice, yeah? No shame to floor. Hey, we're music. Pop our voice, yeah? So, they know here lock the now, they never. Then I watch. I even know you are a criminal.
Thank you. I was about to go out. Then somebody sent me this video. It's from Ezra page.